the sun is shining, we have a beautiful blue sky, and frankly, we could not ask for a better day for our first Ependymoma awareness event and butterfly release. Truly, this has been the culmination of a year-long collaborative effort. So many people from around the globe have given of their time and their resources to make this day a success. And we wanted to choose something to represent our efforts. And we thought about a number of different vehicles, and ultimately we selected the butterfly to symbolize renewal and inspiration and hope.
You know, when you think of the CERN Foundation, it's only been a short time that we've actually had the foundation going. And everything that we accomplished in the past 5 years has been remarkable. And all of us are very committed to the mission of the CERN Foundation, which is all about finding new treatments and care for these patients and ultimately leading to a cure. That's what we're all about. And I will tell you that I truly believe that in the short period of time what we accomplished, we will only double it in the future. And I know that all of us together will be able to reach our vision of never losing a patient to ependymoma.
We are here, as you may know, to honor the memory of our middle daughter, Kayla, who recently passed away after battling with an ependymoma at the age of 12. The reason that we are here is to see the butterflies that were sponsored in her name. And to give you an idea, this stack is of certificates that we received for people who sponsored butterflies in Kayla's memory. I cannot tell you how many people showed up at her memorial service, not in black, but in pink with butterflies. It is nearly impossible to sum up the essence of Kayla in a few mere words. As Dr. Packer, who was with us through the entire 5-year period with Kayla, can testify, Kayla was tough as nails, smart as a whip, clever as a fox, and pretty as a princess. Our lives were turned upside down by her diagnosis more than 5 years ago. One of the cruel things about this situation is that we never really knew if we had days, weeks, months, or years. And as a result, we tried to walk a fine line between living in the moment and living our lives as normally as we could. Each night, when I tucked Kayla in at bed, I would ask her 2 questions. Did you have a good day? And do you feel loved? For us, these butterflies are a reflection of all the love that helped to sustain us through the pain of losing Kayla. We were not in time to develop a cure for our beautiful, darling Kayla. We are very hopeful, however, that you will save many other children. Please know that we are grateful to be with you here today, representing so many other families who are fighting this disease now, who fought it before, and who may someday be forced to fight this fight. Your work through the CERN Foundation gives us all hope, and we in turn hope that these butterflies inspire you to find the answers that we're all seeking.
We represent some of the top people in the United States and now extending internationally working on this disease, and I think we should be very proud of what we've accomplished in the last 5 years. And I think now we have an extra element in the CERN, and that's our outreach to the people who are living with this disease, who are suffering from the consequences of this disease. Our group has put together CERN Awareness Day and Ependymoma Awareness Day, which has actually been recognized in several cities and states around the United States. So it's been proclaimed in Houston, it's been proclaimed in Austin, and proclaimed in the state of Texas to be Ependymoma Awareness Day, as well as several other places in the United States. We've been successful. This is the first annual Ependymoma Awareness Day, and we're now already working on the theme for next year. So for those of you wearing your CERN hats, consider them thinking hats. Let's come up with a great idea for next year's Awareness Day.
I think we're almost ready to let our butterflies fly. And Kristen and Saba, if you would open the boxes.